Hello guys and welcome to Daily Bitcoin Deals. On my previous video I showed you how you can earn free crypto by using the Brave browser. If you haven't downloaded the browser or seen the video, click on the link above. Stick around because on this video I'm going to show you another way of earning free crypto as well. Okay, let's get straight into it guys. The cryptocurrency we are going to be talking about today is called Presearch. So let's talk about the token first and then we'll discuss how to earn it. As you can see, I've already opened coinmarketcap. We used the same site on the last video. This site is very useful when it comes to crypto and especially Bitcoin. By the way, please subscribe to my channel if you want to learn more about Bitcoin on coinmarketcap. For the basis of this video, we are going to look at the Presearch token. As you can see, the price of the token at this time is 0.0177 USD and it has gone down a little bit during the last 24 hours. This is to be expected with the current market condition. What we want to do is keep earning and stacking pre-tokens and then sell them when the price increases. So guys, what is Presearch and how does it work? So Presearch is an open decentralized search engine that rewards community members with Presearch tokens for their usage, contribution to and promotion of the platform. What we'll do now is I'll give you a quick demo on how to register for Presearch and how you can start using it. In order to earn Presearch tokens, you need to register on their website by clicking on the link in the description. When you come onto this page, you need to click on the sign up now tab. I have already registered, so this takes me straight to the search page. This page shows that I have already earned 50 Presearch tokens. Let me show you how. So Presearch pays you 0.25 tokens every time you use their website to do an online search to a maximum of 8 Presearch a day. Let's try this out now. As I've already said, I've already got 50.25 Presearch tokens. I'm going to do a quick search on Google for football. Now, before I click enter, I want you to pay attention to two things. When I click on the search button, you'll see a coin dropping down the screen and you'll notice a quick advert page. Then you'll be redirected to the normal Google search page. So let's try this now. So football. So there's the coin. There's the advert page. And then there's your normal Google page that you'll be redirected to. Now, if we go back to the search page, my new token amount is now showing as 50.50 pre. So I got the 0.25 tokens for doing that one search. These are some of the search engines you can use for your everyday searches. So you've got DSearch, you've got Google, you've got Etherscan. This is more of a cryptocurrency website or search engine. You've got coinmarketcap, which is what we've already discussed. You've got Twitter, you've got Facebook, you've got Presearch. So you can use their own search engine. You've got YouTube and you've got Amazon. But clicking on the settings button, you can rearrange these or add other search engines on this function as well. Let's try another search on Amazon for webcams. So we'll type in webcam, enter, the coin, the advert for 2 seconds, 3 seconds, and then takes you to your normal Amazon page. Now if you go back to the Presearch search engine, you'll notice I've got another 0.25 Presearch tokens. So guys, like I said, you can earn a maximum of 8 Presearch per day. So this is the end of the video, and don't forget I've added the link to the website into the description. If you have found the video useful, please don't forget to press the like button and subscribe to my channel. See you next time guys.